Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable contract permissions on 1inch, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable contract permissions on 1inch, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the 1inch website. Connect your cryptocurrency wallet by selecting the wallet option. Choose the wallet you use from the available options. Allow the connection to your wallet by signing the transaction if prompted. Once connected, locate the Dashboard tab on the home page. Click on the dashboard to access your 1inch account details. Scroll down to find the Manage Permissions section. Select the token for which you want to disable contract permissions. Click on the Manage button next to the selected token. This will take you to a page displaying the current permissions. Look for the option labeled Disable Permissions or similar. Click on Disable Permissions to initiate the process. You may be prompted to confirm your action through your wallet. Review the transaction details carefully. Confirm and sign the transaction within your wallet. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. Once successful, you should see a confirmation message. Check the permissions for the token to ensure they have been updated. Repeat these steps for any additional tokens as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.